Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about Bridging Gap Activity 1, Worksheet 5. First bit, write the naming words related to picture 1. You see here, picture 1. Where is picture 1? Here. In this picture, which are the naming words? Write down here. What are the naming words in this picture? Naming words means things names, persons names, places names, etc. Here you see here what are the naming words in this picture? Grandmother, grandfather, brother, mother, sister, father, table, iron box, chair, hen, broomstick, bucket, like this. You write down here what are the naming words in that picture. Grandfather, grandmother, grandmother, grandmother. Next, iron box, IRONBOX, iron box. Broomstick, BROOMSTICK, broomstick. Next, what are the things here? Table, chair, TABLE, table. CHAIR, chair. FATHER, father. ఇంకా brother, sister, hen. BROTHER, brother. SISTER, sister. HEN, hen. Okay. Next one. Write the action words related to picture 1. Here, action words means working, work. You see here, what are the action words in this picture? Ironing, watching, seeing, looking into mirror, looking, sitting, filling, folding, feeding, sweeping, like these are action words. Ironing, IRONING, ironing. Sweeping, SWEEPING, sweeping. Folding, FLODING, folding. Next, sitting, SITTING, sitting. Next one, feeding, FEEDING, feeding. Filling, FILLING, filling. These are the action words related to picture 1. Next bit, write simple sentences using the naming words and the action words. Now we create the sentences with using of these words, naming words and action words. Write here, what are the sentences? Grandfather ironing, just grandfather, FATHER, father is ironing, IRONING, ironing clothes, CLOTHES, clothes. Next, father, Father sitting in a chair. Father, father is sitting, sitting, sitting in a chair, chair, chair. Next, grandmother. Grandmother is sweeping the floor. You write down here. Grandmother, grandmother. Grandmother is sweeping, sweeping, sweeping the floor, floor, floor. Next, what are there? Brother. Brother is folding. Brother, brother, brother is folding clothes. Next, sister. Sister is filling water. Sister, sister is filling, filling, filling water. Here you see, I read once again. Write the naming words related to picture 1. What are the naming words? Grandfather, grandmother, iron box, broomstick, table, chair, father, brother, sister, hen. Next, what are the action words related to the picture 1? Action words is what? Ironing, sweeping, folding, sitting, feeding, filling. Action words means action is going on. Next, write simple sentences using the naming words and the action words. You write down here. Grandfather is ironing clothes. Father is sitting in a chair. Grandmother is sweeping the floor. Brother is folding clothes. Sister is filling water. Okay, this is the bridging gap activity worksheet 5. Thank you for watching.